cheap Ikea junk. Let's see what we can do. Pretty close. It's really close. Let's use that. I'll take it. see what we got. Now, flip it over and hey, look at that. We got ourselves a stool.
So there you have it, repairing the stool. We're gonna get into the whole debate about should I repair or replace it, because this is just a cheap Ikea stool, but I got it secondhand. I paid 20 bucks for the set of 4, and honestly, one of them had a broken rail and the other one was about to break. The other 3 were actually in pretty decent shape, and at some point I may end up reupholstering, but I had to figure out, do I want to build a whole new set of stools and waste a week and a half of work when I can just get the stools and have them functioning in the kitchen in some time in the future when I have some free time? Then we'll make some stools. But I really liked leaving this the two-tone. I was thinking about originally staining them to match, but then I realized I don't want my work to get mixed up with Ikea's. I don't want to take any credit for anything Ikea did. So we left it different, and I really like how it came out. Mixing the 100-year-old quarter sawn white oak with the Ikea something or other. Yes, simple project, took me about an hour or so in the shop, and I really enjoyed it, and I like how it came out. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, ideas, snide remarks, throw those in the comments down below. Thank you, that really helps us out, gets us in front of more people, helps the channel grow, and really means more than I can say. You've heard it 100 times, but thank you for that. As well as these people over here, those are some of the fantastic, wonderful, benevolent, gorgeous people over on Patreon, and without you guys over on Patreon, this channel wouldn't exist. We are completely sponsored by you. I don't take sponsorships from other people wanting me to say things for them. I get to say what I want to do and do what I want to do. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about that, you know what to do. Links down below. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Yes, it's true. We made a chimera, a 100-year-old white oak and an Ikea stool. It's an abomination, and I love it.